Hey, let me show you how you can improve sound quality of your Huawei FreeBuds 5i. So you can do this in two ways. The first one is very simple. We just have to scroll down in the AI Live application to the sound quality. And here we've got 4 options to change the sound equalizer. So we've got the bass boost, treble boost, and the voices. I'm listening to a lot of music with bass. So I like this one. That's my favorite setup, and it really makes difference. When you are listening to the music, try to switch between the modes and pick this one that fits you the best. And the second option is to change to the sound quality. So right now we simply enable the LDAC audio codec. That's the high quality codec that allows us to get more better sound quality. And also you have to remember to listening to the streaming services like Apple Music or Tidal or even Spotify Premium, where you can find this high streaming sound quality. And yeah, that's all. Bye bye.